If you feel like you've had thoughts that are circulating in your head, yes, that's a word. No, I haven't had coffee yet. And you're just like it's stuck, I might know why. My name's Sarah. I'm SRB Stars on all the channels. I'm a mom and I'm an astrologist. If you'd like to learn how to work with me or get my free newsletter or learn about my Patreon, pause to read. So we have a Virgo moon for one more day. And Virgo moon, as I talked about the other day, is one that likes to focus. It's detail oriented. You might have been cleaning everything. I have 3 bags of clothes that I'm rehoming, as I shared yesterday. My son cleaned his room yesterday. I've been asking him all day to do that. He's moving into his first apartment on Saturday, and I wanted his space to be clean so he could see what he has. He actually cleaned it yesterday. I blame the Virgo moon. Just saying. There also was a square that happened early this morning between Mercury and Pluto. Mercury is our mind. He's in Taurus right now, so it's very slow, likes methodical, likes to really think things through, and Pluto just intensifies that. And when there's a square, there's a frustration. So you might have felt a frustration building yesterday that might start to ease today. This will be a couple days still over the weekend. There's some great news happening tomorrow, though, so make sure you tune in for that to kind of release all of it. But I invite you to, if you get fixated, go outside. Put your feet in the dirt. Put your feet in the ground and just ground. The remedy is always in the moon, and the moon's an earth sign. And when we get fixated, it's really hard to just move past things sometimes. There might have been some confrontations that happened. There might have been some feelings of, I don't know how to make this happen. I know this has to happen. And I saw it play out in my world. But we're going to figure it out because we can do hard things. And not everything's hard. It just may feel like it for a little bit. So, if things are hard today, because the Virgo moon's critical, or you're feeling the effects of that Mercury square Pluto, go out there, take a walk, see if that helps.